One of the weaknesses of Opera is that it is a purely open source browser, meaning that there is nothing in that browser that you cannot copy, make your own browser out of. You can even turn it around and sell it. You can do anything you want with Opera, which is what makes it really cool. One of the weaknesses of that is that it can't have any code in it that is proprietary, meaning copyrighted. Sometimes that affects things, specifically video playback on certain websites. Twitter and Facebook are two of the biggest. We have a quick fix for that. It's kind of weird, and you only have to do it every now and then. But here's how. Here's the Opera Fix folder. Double click it. Everything I'm telling you is written down right here. But what you do is you right click an empty area, choose Open in Terminal. Try hitting your up arrow, and if you don't, if it isn't there, this is the code. sudo space sh space operaffier.sh. You hit enter, the password, of course, 0000, enter, and it wants to know, would you like to back up the current version? Just say N and enter, and patch succeeded. You can ignore everything else. You're done. Click that, and now videos will play perfectly in Opera on Facebook, Twitter, and any other weirdo website using proprietary means of playing video.